Hello guys, this is Kulas. So we're opening our fourth pack of VMX trading cards. Our first one is Denise Esteban. And then we have a nice card of Jessa Garcia. We have Rica Gonzalez. We have Cara Gonzalez. Here's a nice one featuring Yen Durano. We have Jen Rosa. We got another Jen Rosa. And to finish it off, we have Sahara Bernales. This pack is pretty much average when it comes to content, with Denise Esteban, Jessa Garcia, and Yen Durano providing the quality cards. So thank you for joining me. This has been Kulas for Tambe Reviews. Thank you for watching. Keep on playing.